it's Matt with Copperhead Plumbing. I'm going to show you how to use the Jam Buster wrench. You can pick one of these up at any Ace, Lowe's, or Home Depot. It's used to unjam your garbage disposal. Let's go take a look. So right under the garbage disposal there's going to be a little hole that this wrench is going to go into. It's going to fit right inside there. You'll feel the jam is kind of stuck. You're just going to want to work it back and forth until you can feel it freeing up. And that should do the trick. Let's check it out. Okay, we'll turn on the garbage disposal and make sure it's working correctly. Perfect. Well, as you can see, that was super easy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more Copperhead Plumbing tips and tricks. Take care.